Mamema akwaba eba Ghana Sem TV GH. Mesra will like, comment, subscribe. Turn on notification so that anytime I post a video, bit area, usabekebi. Ebusia eti dia Captain Smarty, kojo smart to say den smart to Captain not so smarty. Was social media, Sony TV3, in fact, of Angel or something like that. Oh yeah, they was you say Pamunu on one echo, then see you echo, and I'll copy on your FM. Now on your FM got a serious. Account is on the captain, on be the captain of the people. Now I'm beginning, and I say Ghana Sem TV GH, you're picking information there. HRSA Nina is just to Jude fame because captain allegedly episode by MP or Gomoa West. Sa bebe. And because opese obeye MP or Gomoa West nindi, that is why now no I say sorry now I criticize Mahama Kakra. And that idea campaign any sa agenda omuye yedi NDC di buy no. Say when we say all distancing them from the government. And when you follow any commentaries about Kobna Dubuahin case, our court and all those things, you will realize in those commentaries say he is kind of catch a minus idea no and Kosiaga. I say all those things. Now, Captain here. Like I said, wa wunya say wunya kitwa ya wunya peniu kojo A+, kwami A+. We have seen him as an MP. He say or MP or parliament. Your friend so on kasa obeka say yanka jene say or be making a statement to that effect and on your ready. Meanwhile, A+ also live on Facebook nsem abeti go assume no enye easy. But A+ no parliament. In fact, constituency 4 I'm free A+ constituency. Omu besano say that ben na ba be omu kwan ewo A+ constituency no. A+ a be reply na wa ye omu. O si na ne oye no ni mami ana say ni papa na say ni sin. Until we know we've seen your prototype. Someone who basically operates as you also operate. And we've seen say they are your public domain. And the same thing that comfort me call replicate your parliament. I'm going to do why a different ball game. And I'm not sure say Gomoa West 4 will make them mistake. A very mistake, yeah. To vote for Kojo Smart as MP. Now, finally, on say sa agenda we apparently video I'm sure me watch them no. Na me ni pabi. Nyami difo. On no apparent na prophesy say we who say captain Kojo Smarty obe standing independent. Me, I'm not saying say papa no went tifin yakupon che. Me nkasa. What I'm saying is say I dey wait my plan. Wait my plan. Don't let anybody deceive you. Me say me person me call ye MP or me Chroma, I say me call ye MP or Domiko Abenya. Say no one say me so me nyaku nyame nipa bi be kasa say me ba nyakupon say voter regime ebia won nyako nya 90 call Domiko Abenya call ye campaign ubenya konya wo. Yeah. Okay, and you cannot. So yeah, we be more. You supposed to be bold. Come out and tell us, "Person, yeah, MP." I don't almost know that. Oh.
Me who said 4 years ago, NDC amendment. It was about the parliament house. AYɛKa this was my and papa do here. Neva na me papa say. Mose susu mo makabo. E mo makam tam sa. E pa bi aso. ọmọ de ba do bless you and ọmọ na do bless you na ọmọ be onye bi ya obere ni sa asma me ke e ka ne and then to the first day
and here comes the confirmation.
Obi eni asase so oni mo brempon ahyese. Mafia time ya me declare say me ko Gomoa West as MP no and then me come N0T. I am saying this today. 2028 I will contest the Gomoa West seat. Tiye no yemfa no nto ho. Me na me call MP ni ho. Me no na call MP ni to say ubuo kwan so me call ka kire ne say honorable me ba be contest wo. O say we bi nsi bo ba bia dem say ba me ma ba me bo amane say me contest wo. Cause Gomoa ye mobodo do. Obi enu oni mo brempon ahyese. Say me do techman, me do Gomoa takwa, me do enyemi. Won wa woni me fi me nkola abremu abesi nne no. Me gidi say o say eh akwai ni. Abante yi ni. Obi ni mo brempon ahyese.
Once again, God has proven that he does not lie through his servant and humble son, Prophet Eribuahin Uche. May God guide Captain Smart into the Parliament House. Thank you for watching. On 31st December 2024, during the watch night service at Rain House Chapel International, Prophet
police not say power. When you obey a cromfo, I bet you know. And I mean, your own cromfo, you hailing all distance. You see, but the person can't say President Mahama proud to 2024 elections and some more kind, you know, time and no campaign. And you'll be on a cashier and no. What shall share so bad? Obesi, Obeka could two a pipe or cocoa for infum. Obema headmaster sika koton mpinam ne ponchenam ama kan say free SHS for no enye obi a na ka share na 24-hour economy. You see emesre ya no ma sabi ya tukwan no o ka 24-hour economy a this policy no enye aban bia na ba eye demand driven policy. Say be me personal company. Say be me steel company. Still no me Ghana me no. Could develop we here me product no. Togo for here. I will need more hands to come and do. Said the meet me demand. No say obi ye such a thing na. O here aban, all right. Enya aban na be kasa wo ye 24-hour economy na amen ye 24-hour economy. What you say? Now, companies in the prior debate 24-hour economy. They were him. Onyon could be babet na kunya so or dream who said at least I was a minya warehouse and I you every district across the country. Oba wa announce for parliament through your trade minister said there is nothing like one factory. Also so by no umbi ejuma bia emom enjuma na nkrofo ya fa omu e kan say ya fa nkrofo we ejuma wa be yi omu nyina di nti sa 24-hour economy a wo chirechiri mu say one job 3 people 3 shift no isi den nne wo dia say wo di kusi market you see nti NDC na nkasa na de wo dwen omu ho ne enema sa de omu ye omu ho na you don't even understand adenti na edru about also omu di minya nkrofo me to abamo what do you say now let me come to South Africa issue ya nkrofo bo Mahama cover nipa 300 every South African ti aban papa aba 2020 ade ye refi ana 2020 bye
More than 1,000.
ye fa nipa 9,000 anya country ba ko different countries even sa akodi ya yes akodi obede pombede now I stuck in UK obetwete ema aban ne ebo ne homode me kofa asa nkrofo we nyina bai me that time na me cousin ketwa bi wo Dubai. Oba August 2020. Me saw a friend me video call. Or say hotel I didn't quarter in Miania 7 You have no idea. What you say? Indeed, and we almost the more can and they say Abaya Kofa. Now even grow almost your propaganda design almost start your coffin the Panama South Africa. Omunya issue kakrani at the embassy sending free Ghana. Who the obi free South Africa Ghana. The whole government also be on your issue. Now 20 kind of say can Japan grow no one for nipa more than 700 and free Lebanon Ghana. Inti it is bibia sa ban obi aye xenophobic attack aba na so wakofa nipa 300 aba. Enya me sika na e wo se de aban na beye. You understand? Na Ghana na ya na mu nipa ni bi wo ha if it is as ye special ntia good country bi aban ye we ya onye hwe. You see, obi aba onyonko aba be free SHS. Onyonko aba wama every constituency ambulance. Eno kura mo so onye hwe. Na wo cover nipa 300 ba there na why. You see, enti look, enema omo ye wa ban mu a ene samijamfi. Eno ono no timi ye nsiye. Ema say we a year of the century. Na engrofo bi the way to sisi yadapa ho. Me sisi yadapa 1982. Na sisi yadapa na oye adwuma wo ka ne sen AU sisi yadapa efiti eje sika in dollars no na ye ho samijamfi. Nso ene we people a omo healing say samijamfi adwuma ba no aye adwuma a waye akoso say na oye PRO for KMA ka ne sen oye personal aid to Kojobonsu. Apart from that the lawyer kra wa ye menye sure so represent obi of court krada nso ene say ni pe yes ye bie Ghana gold nyina on e da no nti na se ewu a esese yesisa Ghana sika nyina na na se na o ye NDC food soldier na wo betna comment section na o ye bisa ho se wo de na wenya aban ne bae no de na wo wenya what you say. And they are no kasa ya me no kasa. There are nurses are still omusika omonsan kan. Obai also be cancel teacher and exams. Still omugusu etro sa exams na be sin there. Nti Mahama ankasa no oyo obi a oka asem a ontumi nye. Se wakasa me se me ba me we no. Oba ontumi nye. Wo beka bia no oka ho bi na ama nkrofo bi o ho a mo village politicians enka nokre. No ankasa waka dada say qualities are to the encounter cranty and we know him for that. But me pese sa NDC ni na wo hanom no. Who say look, you cannot compare NDC to MPP in any way. See ye bisa was mo say rural electrification. Aban be odi akua donko sabi akua donko kra betina konwa so oba obema obi light obema obi nsu ye pade a aban bi ba obeye benefit obi a o Ghana and NDC has none omo ni bi oti ase omo ni bi ni lante vanderpool se Akufo-Addo ni legacy nso ne ejuma ye de na to ano no ye Akufo-Addo na kofa ba drip o ye drip and also okotena TV so say Akufo-Addo ni legacy ene ona o drip so drip use so Akufo-Addo na de bae nti enema bi a omo opposition omo kan it is coming back to them in thousand folds and hanti omo nti me enya me nwanwa se o nyansa sama kire omo a omo baba na omo be